I believe in Ripple wholeheartedly, guys. Check this out. Ripple, the leader in enterprise blockchain and crypto solutions, is expanding its presence in Dubai with a new office in Dubai International Financial Center. Progressive regulations and a robust tech infrastructure have helped Dubai consolidate its status as a global capital of advanced technologies, attracting top companies like Ripple. Attracting what? Top companies like Ripple, guys. This is the home of what? Advanced technologies. They were already prepared. Check all those X's, guys. Right. Someone just stayed down here. This seems to me like this is central bank talk, right? Think about it for a second, guys. Central bank talk. That's very important to say the least. Why? Because when we talk about central banks and XRP and how XRP will be the bridge of them all and how XRP will go to a high price, guys, and people still don't believe, check this out. Tell me what you add. Personally, I think we are right about XRP. I just think everyone's timing was off, guys. Check this out.
People really got to pay attention to detail. This is from the Euro Banking Association, and it says right here, carefully designed bridge technologies could help facilitate the smooth implementation and adoption of a digital euro. It goes on to talk about the Target 2 system utilizing bridge technologies, right? I've shown you guys this, and up here at the top, it goes on to say, XRP cryptocurrency is expected to act as a bridge currency for difficult to service currency corridors. I'm telling you guys right now, it gets deeper, okay? Let's go over here. Bank d'Italia. It says right here, a way to achieve this goal is to allow these transactions to flow through the market infrastructures where central bank money is safely managed. This implies building a bridge between...
Have you guys noticed something? A bridge, right? There's always this key word called bridge, guys. Think about it.
Distributed ledger technology platforms and market infrastructures. Oh, don't worry, it gets deeper. Here we got another Bank d'Italia PDF right here, and it goes on to say, a second phase completed in 2022 focused specifically on wholesale CBDCs. It goes on to say who these participants are. Deutsche Bundesbank and Germany's finance agency published the results of an experiment in which they developed and successfully tested a settlement interface. Check this out. They go on to talk about the Euro system, large value payment system, and it says right here, in doing so, the participants demonstrated that it is possible to establish technological bridges between blockchain technology and conventional payment systems to settle securities. It gets deeper. Don't go nowhere. Check this out. So let's go to that date. Target 2, we see right here, we see the individual participants. Deutsche Bank. Deutsche Bundesbank and Germany's finance agency, and it goes on to say right here, the market participants involved in conducting this experiment were Barclays, Citibank, Commerzbank, DZ Bank, Goldman Sachs, and Societe Generale. Check this out. So let's pay attention to Barclays right there first. Let's go over here to a Barclays, see right here, Barclays PDF. It says right here, alternative systems include Ripple, which uses both financial institutions and its own nodes at the core.
Isn't that weird or strange, guys, right? And odd that Ripple is being stated everywhere, especially with certain banks, right? Countries, nations. Why? Just have this ponder, guys. Why?
Right there. What does it say Barclays using? Barclays, Ripple Network, XRP, as the bridge currency, the intermediary between Barclays and Bank B. Come on now. We're not sleeping on the same.
This is so beautiful, guys. This is how I know for a fact XRP goes to a high price. Why? Because even without all these any of this proof, guys, is that all you need to do, all we needed to see is them announcing that they are partnered with only one central bank. That's all it matters, guys. Just one central bank will be the tipping point to the next, to the next, to the next, domino effect to the rest, right? Literally states XRP as an example from A to B, right? Being the heart of the new financial system. Here we go, guys. Swift transfer is what? 5 trillion? Come on, guys. I'm sure I speak for a lot of XRP holders when I say that none of us require more proof. We only want to know when, right? Unfortunately, no one will ever know when. That's the beauty of time. No one person can control it, guys. Right? Interesting. So, if we go to this next tweet, check this out. Now, a lot of people love Bitcoin but hate XRP at the same time. But why, right? Now, we, the XRP community, love XRP, but I don't really hate Bitcoin, guys. I'm just trying to warn people of what's coming with Bitcoin, because Elon Musk confirms what we already know. Bitcoin is not as useful as a day-to-day currency. We are entering a cross-chain interoperable future. Bitcoin is too slow for transactions, not scalable, and consumes way too much energy. Right, this ties in with the next few tweets, guys. Pay attention. Don't go nowhere, because XRP is the future for global finances. Right, check this out. Elon Musk is coming into play as well.
As a database for resource allocation across time and space, and then what system it is, what in what form should that database or data system, what would be most effective? Now, there is a fundamental issue with say Bitcoin in its current form, in that the transaction volume is very limited.
It's not scalable. We're going to be talking about this here in just a second.
And the latency, the latency for a properly confirmed transaction is too long, much longer than you'd like.
Exactly, because we're heading into a digital world where everything needs to be fast. Look at TikTok, right? Why? Because it tries to grab your attention, guys, right? Things need to be moving fast these days. Where is this financial system moving towards as well, guys? Fast, instantaneously. You got it. XRP.
So it's actually not great from a transaction volume standpoint or a latency standpoint. So it is perhaps useful as to solve an aspect of the money database problem, which is this sort of store of wealth or an accounting of relative obligations, I suppose. But it is not useful as a currency, as a day-to-day currency.
Now, can Bitcoin be useful as a store of value, right? Possibly, guys. I mean, the thing with Bitcoin is what, as BG123 did show us, that it dies, then it gets revived once again, I think. CoinDesk asks a challenging question. Can Bitcoin's scalability keep pace with its surging popularity? You guys see, now these people are talking about what we have been talking about for a long time now. With transaction fees peaking and BRC20 debate intensifying, it's a moment of reckoning for Bitcoin's future, right? In opinion, if Bitcoin can't handle a few JPEGs, how can it handle the world? Wow, right? When they talk about JPEGs, they mean this right here. They mean this because Bitcoin devs are trying to cancel ordinals, guys, right? So there was a NFT project that went on to the Bitcoin blockchain, and it literally screwed up the whole transaction period, guys, because things got stuck and whatnot. Action should have been taken months ago. Spam filtration has been a standard part of Bitcoin Core since day one. It's a mistake that the existing filters weren't extended to Taproot transactions. We can address that or try a more narrow approach like OP return. Since this is a bug fix, it doesn't really even need to wait for a major release, right? Basically, the Bitcoin devs are suggesting that they need to update, right? Change the code so that NFTs and such things don't get uploaded to the Bitcoin network, guys, right? And to slow down transactions and all sorts of stuff, which is a problem because that's where the money is at, guys, right? Let's pay attention. Bitcoin's technology is ancient, guys, right? In the time of the dinosaurs or something. The reason why I say if people can't upload certain JPEGs, right, or NFT collections, things like this, then it's not good because the world is heading towards that type of era, guys, right? There's a reason why, because Ripple is helping what they got that fund or project fund operation going on, right? It was $250 million to community projects that they're giving out, guys, right? But why do you think they're doing that, guys, right? To build more value on the XRP ledger. But you can't with Bitcoin. It's game over. Again, if Bitcoin cannot handle a few JPEGs, how can it handle the world, guys, right? it was talking about the congestion from ordinals and the BRC20 is a stress test, and Bitcoin is failing. Wow, guys, Bitcoin's time demise is on the horizon. Don't you see? Literally, right? People think we're just joking, but we're truly not, guys. Leaving aside the question for what Bitcoin is for, there's a much more straightforward takeaway here. Bitcoin isn't scaling, and blaming ordinals doesn't change that fact, guys, right? Wow. So the Bitcoin maxis were blaming this NFT project that got uploaded to the blockchain, to the Bitcoin blockchain, but they should understand that their Bitcoin is an S coin, guys, because it literally cannot scale, right? Look what happens. Look what happened to Bitcoin's active average transaction fee, skyrocketed heavily, right? And then you couldn't even transact or send money, guys, send Bitcoin, because it was delayed heavily with contagion issues. Vitalik stated, what Ripple has accomplished is impressive. With Ripple, we have a way of sending, receiving, and holding any currency, not just one specific cryptocurrency, in a decentralized manner or way, right? This ties in with Elon Musk talking about Bitcoin isn't the one, guys, because it's not useful as a day-to-day currency. Think about it, but I'm pretty sure XRP will be for the banks and we the people as well, right? It's going to help a lot, because when you send money throughout the world right now, there's fees and stuff, guys, right? Slow transaction times. You don't even know if it's guaranteed for that person to receive that money as well. Think about it here, right? XRP will save the world, so it seems like in a financial crisis or a catastrophic crisis that's looming before our faces, not financial advice, be prepared. But it was so fast, amazingness. See you.